Hello, I saw your question about chapter 10, section 2, number 3 here. So you could do this by hand with the formulas, or you could use StatCrunch. If you go into StatCrunch, click on Stat. Click on Stat. Go down to Proportion Stat. Choose one sample proportion with summary. So you got you're given 66 x is 66, sample size is 150. So you enter those. You're given it's a left-tailed test with the population proportion 0.5. So yeah, 0.5. It's less than. You click compute, and it'll give you the p-value. Just click here. So go in StatCrunch Stat. Proportion stat, one summary, one sample with summary, entered information. Hope this helps.